on the purple. This is the first in the bingo series, first out of 3, and we are on the second line, which is the purple. It's going to get a little bit harder as we go up. So this is a ball walk, which is also called a chicken walk, and it's a scuff, a spank, a clunk, and a crawl. So let's go over the ball walk first. So if you're really small, we call this the chicken walk because you're going to put one. This is the chick walk, is when you just step on the ball of your foot, right? The ball walk is 2 sounds. It's a ball and then a heel drop, which we just learned in the last one. Ball, heel drop. See how my other foot comes right up? Ball, heel drop. That means it takes your weight, right? Takes 110% of your weight. Ball, heel drop. Okay, you see the crease in your foot. Ball, drop, ball, drop, ball, drop. 2 sounds. Okay, scuff. Pick up one foot, bending the other knee, and it's like a brush forward. You know how you do a brush forward with your ball? Except for you're going to use your heel this time. So it's like a brush forward with your heel. Scuff. Okay? I always think about it, scuff, as one of those steps where I'm saying, oh, shucks. Oh, man. Scuff. Okay? And spank. So a spank is a brush back. So when we do a shuffle, we do a brush front and a brush back, right? The spank is the brush back. It's just another name for brush back. So it's just a fun name. We lift the foot up, we brush forward, and then we spank back. So when you spank, you brush the floor and then you lift the knee. Don't go back here. Okay. Don't hit the wall behind you. Clunk. This is a really fun step. Clunk, clunk, clunk. You're just hitting the inside of the foot on the mat, on the floor. Be careful that you don't hurt your foot. Don't go too hard. If you go too hard, you're going to strain your knee a little bit. So just bend your knee a little bit with it. Clunk, clunk. See how this knee is bending too? Sort of taking the impact. Clunk, clunk, clunk. I'm staying nice and loose so that my body doesn't get hurt. Okay. Clunk, crawl. 2 kinds of crawl, separated crawl and a regular crawl. Caterpillar crawl. Start on the side and then bend your knees, again, nice and soft and loose. Lift your heels up and then drop them down, but drop them in the direction you're going. So I'm going to go in this direction. I'm going to lift my heels up next. Drop them. Lift my toes up. My heels up. Now my toes up. And then my heels up. And then my toes up. Let me go the other way since I messed that up. Lift your toes up. And then your heels up. Move it. Toes up. Move it. Heels up. Move it. Toes up. Move it. Heels up. Move it. This is a tricky, tricky step. So if you're 3, it's very tricky. And it just takes a lot of practicing. Okay? So that was the crawl. The separated crawl, I think we get into at another level. All right, on to the green.